every now and again you're gonna have your handle break off on your toilet, which is gonna make it to where you can't flush the toilet. So I'm gonna talk to you today about how to change this out for one of these. This is just a cheap little lever that you can find at Walmart for about $6 to at least get the toilet operable until you get a chance to go back and get the type you want. The first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pair of channel locks that we have here. We're gonna grab this nut and then we're gonna rotate it to get it to come off. We just wanna rotate it just enough to where we can get this down to where we can use our hands to turn it. Not quite there just yet, but we will pop this open in a few seconds. And we'll be in good shape. Okay, so now we have that off. Go ahead and pop this through. Looks like that. Sometimes you get into a snag with these where this little piece right here is getting in our way. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna crimp this and try and break it off so we can get a nice good pull through with everything. So we've successfully gotten the old handle off, which you can see has got a lot of corrosion on it. And so now we're gonna put our new handle on. So the way that we do this is we're gonna unscrew this part, which will come off. We slide the handle in, put the metal piece, we slide the handle in, put the metal piece on the other side, screw it all down, reattach the chain, and the toilet will be back in business. All right, so now we've got this part in here. You'll see that it's square, and so then you just slide this over top, tighten it down. You don't need a whole lot of force to get it to be tight, just enough to where it's snug. And now it's smooth, it moves, but it won't come out. And the next part is to undo the chain from the old side, reconnect it to these holes on the new side, and the toilet will be back in operation. Okay, so we have the handle put in, we have everything secure, we have the part with the chain connected. It's very important that you make sure you connect it when that flapper is all the way down, otherwise your toilet will run. So what we're doing now is we're letting it fill up to make sure that the flapper is actually seated. We don't hear anything running, we don't hear any water moving. Give it a flush. Make sure that it actually will go ahead and reseat itself, which it looks like it did. And after we confirm that, swapping out this handle is now completed. Hopefully this helps you feel confident to change this yourself. It's a super easy task. It takes about 5 minutes and anybody can do it.